Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw BUSD from Robinhood to Coinbase in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your Binance USD assets between platforms seamlessly, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Coinbase. You'll also need some BUSD in your Robinhood wallet and the exact wallet address from your Coinbase account ready to go. Crypto transfers can involve fees and wait times, so double-check everything to avoid any headaches. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio and locate your BUSD holdings. It's usually under the crypto section, easy peasy. Step 2. Once you're on your BUSD page, look for the withdraw or transfer option. This might be a button that says withdraw or send to another wallet. Click on that to get started. Step 3. You'll need to enter the destination details. That's where your Coinbase wallet address comes in. Copy and paste it carefully to ensure accuracy. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so no typos allowed. Step 4. Review the amount you're withdrawing. Double-check the fees involved. Robinhood might charge a small fee, and network fees could apply depending on the blockchain. Once you're happy, hit confirm. Step 5. After confirmation, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, especially in 2025 with potential network updates. Keep an eye on your Robinhood transaction history. Finally, once it's done, log into your Coinbase account and check your wallet. You should see your BUSD there. Success. If anything goes wrong, reach out to customer support on either platform. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you've moved your BUSD like a pro. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.